Welcome back, and welcome to the first installment of the subscriber requested video series that I'm starting, and this will be the first video kicking it off. We will be going over my prized military surplus items that a subscriber wanted to see, and that is GM Dieselman. So, feel appreciated, feel special. Yours is the first video, as per requested in my overnighter that I did before my last overnighter, where I asked you guys, what would you like to see when we're not at the shelter? So here you have it, the first installment. So grab some popcorn and some coffee, and let's get this show on the road. Okay, this is the first item, and this is one of my prized military surplus items because I've just always wanted one of these. And this is the M9 bayonet, the standard issue bayonet to the U.S. military. But what is so special about this one is it is a, I've already forgot the name of the brand here. Give me one moment. Okay, mine is the Tri Technologies brand. And what's so special about this one is that there's a lot of brands that make these for the military. You have Ontario, you have Probus, you have Buck. And this one is the most recent contract for the military. And I believe these are from 2012 to 2014. I do not know if they make these anymore. But there you go, GM Dieselman. There is one of my prized military surplus items, the M9 bayonet with its scabbard. Now you got to keep in mind I cannot show you everything. I cannot give away all my secrets. Okay, second item up is my Russian VDV, I believe that's how you pronounce it, Russian Paratrooper Canteen Mess Kit. But what's so special about this one is I got these Flora Camo canteen cover for it, which is really cool. These usually come with like a thin like canvas type cover. So really the cover is pretty unique too. It's one of my prized surplus items. And it's got a pocket right here in the front to put items in and stuff, so really, really cool. Camo especially. But this canteen mess kit, I've never used it. Probably just sit on my shelf, who knows. But it's really cool. You got your canteen cup here. And what I really like about it is you got your canteen here inside the cooking mess kit. So yeah, it's really, really nifty paratrooper set. But I'd have to say these are probably going to be pretty valuable now since they come from Russia. There's my number 2 item right there, the Russian VDV paratrooper mess kit. Okay, here's number 3. This is a cold weather MRE. Now, this is a pretty recent one here, I believe. And I paid way too much money for this, as you can see, $29.98. But if I could get these cheaper, I would, and I'd use them. But this will probably just sit up on my shelf for decoration. But this is the cold weather MRE chili macaroni with beef. This is one of my prized military surplus items because these are very hard to find, and if you do find them online, they're very expensive. So, these go after the MCWs, which is mill cold weather. Or no, not MCW, MCI. I don't know, they made some before this. They had more freeze-dried stuff in it, I believe. But those are not made no more. These are where you replace that. But that'd be for another video. But here's number 3, cold weather MRE. Number 4 is the 2nd generation cold weather canteen cup that I had gotten at Rockford Surplus, military surplus. $24.98. You will not find this for that price on eBay. Will not happen. So, yeah, this is really a great find. Now, I don't have the canteen, and I don't have the cover. But let me get my phone out here, and I want to show you why I call this the 2nd generation canteen. Because there's a 1st generation cold weather canteen that predates this one that had problems with the welds, and I have pictures of it, believe it or not. So here is the 1st generation canteen, cold weather canteen, I mean to say. It had a weld going right here, and they lost their contract to the military because that weld was not stable. If you ever find one of those, and let alone the cold weather canteen is very rare. That is extremely rare, I'm sure. But what's really cool is there is the canteen pouch it came in. It's like this Arctic cover. Really, really, really neat. It's also on the soldier and the mechanics magazine that I showed in the past on his waist for just showing off new stuff the military is experimenting with. But that is really, really cool. If you ever find one of those, oh, there it is in a better picture there. Let me get it here. Yeah. Basically same thing. It's just the canteen was just the new cold weather second generation canteen was made by a different contractor, I believe. But to find one of these cold weather canteen cases, I don't know if they even exist. Well, I'm sure they exist, but exist in the civilian market, I highly doubt it. So there you have it. That is the cold weather canteen cup. And some little history to it. Last but not least, at least for this video, is the United States Marine Corps Arc'teryx made, proper made rucksack. This rucksack is one of my most prized possessions because these are becoming pretty rare, pretty expensive. But what also makes this one of my prized surplus possessions is the price tag, $50, if you can see it there, for the assault 3-day assault pack on the back that connects to the main pack. This is one of my prized possessions, and I have used this in a few videos. I might put links in the description and film of this video, but yes, this pack is just so comfortable, and it's just awesome. It's the Marpat. It's United States Marine Corps Marpat camo, and it has the patrol pack connected to it for you guys to see. So there you guys have it. There is a little sneak peek of my prized military surplus items. Subscriber requested by GM Dieselman. And I hope you're watching GM Dieselman. I hope this was good. And I might consider making another video showing some more prized surplus items. But for now, this is going to be the start and kickoff of this new playlist that I'm doing for my subs. Because you guys are a big part of my channel. And I want you to know that I appreciate you being a part of my channel. So, until then, I will see you in the next video. More than likely, we'll be doing an overnighter. I will explain that in the future, but for now, I will see you soon. So thank you guys, and God bless, and we will see you in the next video. And before I forget, I will start my next video for the subscriber viewer request video. I have a list I had made from which you guys, the feedback you guys gave me, so I will be doing somebody next in between making other videos. So we're just getting started, guys. So we'll see you soon. God bless you. Bye-bye.